So here I have my taste testers. Say hi, Lizzie.
Hi.
Say hi, Tori.
Hi.
Say hi, Ivan.
Hi.
Okay, so these are the guys that always let me know whether my food is good or bad. And they answer me with giving me either a thumbs up, a thumbs down, or sometimes they'll give me a sideways thumb, which means that it was all right, but not great, and it wasn't bad either, okay? So hopefully this time it's a thumbs up, right? Okay, guys, go ahead. Try it. Okay, a little bit messy. Okay, these testers were not paid to lie, okay? What they rate me is 100% honest, right? Ivan, we got a thumbs up. We got one. What do we get over here, Ivan? Thumbs up. What do we get, Lizzie? Oh, a sideways. It was all right.
I feel like you've done that.
Oh, okay, yay. Okay, well, there you have it, folks. Spoken to you by the best taste testers out there, okay? Thumbs up across the board. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I want to hear what twists you guys are adding to it. Somebody add bacon and let me know what that tastes like, okay? Bye.